Hello friends, today we will consider the quantum numbers. As we know, according to the wave mechanics, electrons are considered as electron waves which moves around the nucleus. So these may be considered as electron clouds around the nucleus. In order to give the exact position and energy of electrons, we need some quantum numbers. These are denoted by N, L, M and S. Firstly, we will consider the principal quantum number. It is denoted by N and it gives the various shells in which the electrons move around the nucleus. N may have any integral value from 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. These are represented by K, L, M, N. The value of N gives the size of the shell and the energy of the electrons. As the value of N increases, the size of the shell increases and the energy of the electron also increases. Now we comes to the second quantum number, that is angular quantum number or azimuthal quantum number. It is denoted by L and it gives the value of subshell present in a shell. L may have value from 0 to n minus 1. For example, for n is equal to 3, L will be 0, 1, 2. For n is equal to 4, L will be 0, 1, 2 and 3. Now 0 denotes S subshell, 1 denotes P subshell, 2 denotes D subshell and 3 denotes F subshell. The total number of subshells will be equal to value of n. For example, for n is equal to 3, L will have 3 values. For n is equal to 4, L will have 4 values. Now we comes to third quantum number, that is magnetic quantum number. It is denoted by ml and it gives the number of the orbitals. As we know, electrons move around the nucleus with the angular momentum. So a magnetic field is observed. As a result of this, electrons orient themselves in some specific areas in the space. These regions are called orbitals. So ml may have value from minus L to 0 to plus L. For example, for L is equal to 0, ml will have value 0. This denotes s orbital. L is equal to 1, it have 3 values, minus 1, 0 and plus 1. This denotes p orbitals, that are 3. L is equal to 2, there are 5 values, minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1 and plus 2. Because in each d subshell there are 5 d orbitals. For L is equal to 3, there are 7 values, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2 and plus 3. It denotes that F subshell has 7 F orbitals. Now we comes to the fourth and the last quantum number, that is spin quantum number. It is denoted by ms and it gives the spin of the electron. As we know, electron has angular momentum. Beside it, electron also spin on its own axis. The spin may have in two directions, clockwise and anti-clockwise. Clockwise is denoted by minus half and anti-clockwise by plus half. It has given a upward arrow and it has a downward arrow. So ms may have only two values, plus half and minus half. For example, for n is equal to 1, L will have value 0, ml will have value 0. So there are 2 electrons in s orbital. These have values plus half and minus half. This is also in accordance with Pauli's exclusion law. This is all about the quantum numbers. So by knowing the quantum numbers, we can exactly give the energy and the position of the electrons. Thank you for watching this video.